Imagine Earth as a cosmic pizza, perfectly divided into two halves, one land, one water. This intriguing concept invites us to ponder the profound implications of such a balance. What if our planet's surface was equally shared between land and water? How would this equilibrium shape the world we know today? This balanced ratio would profoundly impact our planet's climate, geography, and the very life that inhabits it. The distribution of ecosystems would be more uniform, potentially leading to a more stable climate. Diverse landscapes would emerge, each supporting unique forms of life, creating a mosaic of biodiversity. Currently, Earth leans heavily towards water, with oceans covering about 71% of its surface. This vast expanse of water plays a crucial role in regulating our climate, supporting marine life, and influencing weather patterns. The oceans are the lifeblood of our planet, teeming with an incredible array of species. But in our equal parts scenario, we'd witness a dramatic shift in the balance of power. The redistribution of land and water would alter the dynamics of our environment. Coastal areas would expand, creating new habitats for terrestrial and marine life. The interplay between land and water would foster new ecosystems and opportunities for life to thrive. This change wouldn't just be cosmetic. The increased landmass would have far-reaching effects on our planet's systems. New mountain ranges could form, altering weather patterns and creating new microclimates. Rivers and lakes would become more prominent, providing fresh water to sustain life. The increased landmass would influence everything from wind patterns to ocean currents. Wind patterns would shift, potentially leading to new weather phenomena. Ocean currents, which are vital for regulating global temperatures, would be redirected, impacting marine life and coastal climates. Imagine vast deserts stretching across continents and colossal forests teeming with life. These new landscapes would offer a rich tapestry of environments, each with its own unique flora and fauna. Deserts would provide habitats for specialized species, while forests would become lush sanctuaries for countless organisms. This new world would be a testament to nature's adaptability and the delicate balance between land and water. The harmonious coexistence of diverse ecosystems would highlight the resilience of life on Earth. In this balanced world, we would witness the incredible ways in which nature can adapt and flourish, reminding us of the importance of preserving our planet's natural equilibrium. With a new land-water ratio, Earth's climate system would undergo a dramatic transformation. Our current climate is heavily influenced by the ocean's ability to absorb and distribute heat. A larger landmass would mean less ocean surface area to moderate temperatures, leading to more extreme weather patterns. Imagine scorching summers and frigid winters, with drastic temperature swings across the globe. Coastal regions might experience milder climates benefiting from the ocean's proximity. However, inland areas would face the brunt of these climatic shifts, with deserts expanding and rainfall patterns becoming increasingly erratic. Life on Earth is incredibly resilient, but even the hardiest species would face challenges adapting to a world split equally between land and water. Animals accustomed to vast ocean habitats would need to adjust to a reduced marine environment. Conversely, land animals would encounter new opportunities for expansion and diversification. Humans too would need to adapt. Coastal cities might flourish, but inland settlements would require innovative solutions to combat water scarcity and extreme temperatures. Agriculture would need to become more resilient, relying on drought-resistant crops and efficient irrigation techniques. This new Earth would demand resourcefulness and cooperation on a global scale. Now let's venture into the realm of pure imagination. What if Earth, instead of being a sphere, was shaped like a giant cube? This seemingly absurd notion allows us to explore the fundamental forces shaping our planet, gravity and the atmosphere. On a cubic Earth, gravity wouldn't pull uniformly towards the center as it does on our spherical planet. Instead, the pull would be strongest at the center of each face, weakening as you move towards the edges. This would create bizarre effects, with objects feeling heavier or lighter depending on their location on the cube. Section 5. Gravity's grip life on the edge. Imagine a world where the very ground beneath your feet is a constant challenge. A place where gravity's pull is not uniform but varies dramatically from one step to the next. Life on a cubic Earth would be a constant battle against gravity's quirks. Every movement would require extra effort, as the angle of the ground would shift unpredictably. Simple tasks like walking or climbing would become strenuous activities, demanding both physical strength and mental focus. Imagine trying to walk on a surface that constantly shifted its angle relative to the pull of gravity. Each step would be an exercise in balance and coordination, with the ground never quite where you expect it to be. The risk of slipping or falling would be ever-present, making every journey a perilous adventure. Water would pool at the center of each face, creating 6 distinct oceans separated by towering mountain ranges at the edges. These oceans would be the lifeblood of the planet, but their isolation would make travel and communication between them incredibly difficult. The mountain ranges would act as natural barriers, dividing the world into isolated regions. The atmosphere would also behave strangely, concentrating at the center of each face and thinning out towards the edges. This uneven distribution of air would create unique weather patterns, with dense fogs and heavy clouds forming in some areas while others remain clear and dry. The edges of the faces would experience thin air, making breathing difficult and life even more challenging. This would create extreme weather patterns, with intense storms raging at the center and a near vacuum at the edges. The central regions would be prone to violent weather events like hurricanes and tornadoes, while the edges would be eerily calm but inhospitable due to the lack of air. These extreme conditions would shape the way life evolves and survives on this cubic world. Life, if it could exist at all on such a world, would be confined to narrow habitable zones. These zones would be the only places where conditions are stable enough to support life. Vegetation would be sparse, growing only in areas where water and air are sufficient. Animals and humans would have to adapt to these harsh conditions, finding ways to survive in a world that is constantly challenging their existence. Section 6. The Blue Planet's Ancient Secret. A Water World. Let's travel back in time to Earth's infancy billions of years ago. Imagine a planet covered entirely in water, a vast swirling ocean stretching from pole to pole. This hypothesis of a water world has intrigued scientists for decades, offering clues about the origins of life itself. In this primordial soup, the building blocks of life could have assembled and interacted more readily, shielded from the harsh radiation of the early sun. The deep ocean vents, spewing heat and chemicals from Earth's interior, could have provided the energy needed for the first single-celled organisms to emerge. Section 7. The Sun's Clock. A billion years of change. Looking to the distant future, our sun, like all stars, is slowly but surely getting hotter. In a billion years, the increased solar radiation will have a profound impact on Earth's oceans, potentially setting in motion a chain of events that could render our planet uninhabitable. As temperatures rise, the rate of evaporation will increase, leading to a gradual but relentless loss of water from our oceans. This could transform Earth into a much drier planet, with vast deserts replacing once fertile lands. The remaining water would become increasingly saline, posing a significant challenge to the survival of marine life. Section 8. Distant Shores. Seeking Habitable Worlds. Our exploration of hypothetical Earths, though rooted in imagination, has profound implications for the search for life beyond our planet. By understanding how different planetary conditions can affect habitability, we can refine our search for exoplanets that might harbor life. The search for life beyond Earth is a testament to our innate curiosity and our desire to understand our place in the cosmos. By studying the vast diversity of planets and moons in our galaxy, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of conditions that make life on Earth possible. Section 9. A Cosmic Perspective, Our Unique and Precious Earth. From the vastness of space, our planet appears as a delicate blue marble, a fragile oasis in the infinite expanse of the cosmos. This perspective reminds us of the singular beauty and rarity of our home. Our journey through hypothetical Earths highlights the fragility and resilience of our own planet. Each unique landscape, from the dense forests to the towering mountains and vast oceans, tells a story of survival and adaptation. The changing weather patterns and environmental shifts we observe are a testament to Earth's dynamic nature. While it's fascinating to imagine alternative realities, we must remember that Earth, in all its imperfections, is the only home we know. Our planet's diverse ecosystems, from the arid deserts to the lush forests and vibrant oceans, are irreplaceable. Human activities have a profound impact on these natural wonders, and it is our responsibility to mitigate the damage and preserve them for future generations. It's a cosmic oasis teeming with life, a testament to the intricate interplay of geological forces, atmospheric conditions, and the evolution of life itself. The lush rainforests, vibrant coral reefs, and powerful volcanic eruptions all contribute to the rich tapestry of life on Earth. These natural phenomena are not just beautiful, they are vital to the health and balance of our planet. As we continue to explore the universe, we must cherish and protect our pale blue dot. The view of Earth from space, whether from the window of a spacecraft or the surface of the moon, is a powerful reminder of our planet's vulnerability and the need for stewardship. The Milky Way in the background only emphasizes the rarity of our world. It's a reminder that in the vastness of space, Earth is a rare and precious gem, a place where life has flourished for billions of years. The sight of Earthrise over the moon's horizon, the diverse wildlife thriving in their natural habitats, and the seamless transition from night to day all underscore the uniqueness of our planet. These moments are a testament to the delicate balance that sustains life. Let's ensure that it continues to do so for billions more. By planting trees, harnessing renewable energy, and fostering a connection with nature in our children, we can create a sustainable future. Our actions today will determine the legacy we leave for generations to come. Let's commit to protecting and nurturing our unique and precious Earth.